Hey guys, this is Teresa with EverVenture Custom, and today I am very happy to show you guys this 2020 Ford Transit that we recently built out into a camper van, and I can't wait to show it to you. Come on. All right, so as you can see, we have the passenger seat in the swivel seat mode, so it'll turn backwards, and we have the lagoon table set up. This can easily be removed and installed. So here you just take it off and it stores behind the driver's side seat, but this is great if you are working out of your camper van. You have a nice spot to sit and do your work on your laptop. All right guys, so on this side of the vehicle, we have installed an induction cooktop. This is really nice for two reasons. One is you don't need any propane at all, either inside or outside the vehicle. This is fully electric, and it's also really great because it won't get hot unless you are you have your cookware right on top. We've installed a 360 fan here that will help with ventilation for this cooktop, and it also provides an extra way to get some airflow into the bed area. And then under your cooktop, we have 3 storage spaces. Here we have a cassette toilet, which is super easy to use and clean. On this side, we have a nice big countertop. We've got AC outlet here so you could hook up a blender. The sink is nice and deep. You can see in here that'll fit pots and pans. We've got a cutting board that goes on top. This faucet will run both hot and cold water. We've got some overhead storage here, and then your Dometic fridge is really efficient and keeps things nice and cool. There's also a freezer overhead here. Underneath the sink, we have your hot water tank that is electric. We've got a hookup for a shower, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then we've also got some really nice storage in here. This closet has a hanger, and then we've got 3 big drawers here. And then down here is where your heat comes out for your Espar heater. Back here we have our bedroom area. This is a 6-inch memory foam mattress, queen size bed, super comfortable. You'll have no problem getting a great night's sleep back here. We've got 4 overhead storage units here. We've got an AirMax fan back here. And then this is your electrical system. And so this will control your lights, your tank heaters, your water gauge, and then this will control your Espar heater. You can see we're at the back of the vehicle now, and the first thing I want to show you is this hookup right here that we have for a snowboard or some short skis. So here in Colorado, we've got a lot of really great places to go skiing, and so this will let you have your skis, and this will catch all of the snow that comes off of them. Perfect if you want to go up to Summit County or other areas that are really hard to get lodging, very expensive. You'll have no problem sleeping and staying warm in this camper van. So down on this side, we have storage here, and then we have our energy system. So you can see you have the DC-DC battery charger, you've got your inverter, and then you've got your solar charge panel there. In that cabinet, you have 3 lithium Battleborn batteries. This system is powered by either the 400 watts of solar on the roof of the vehicle, the alternator, or can also be hooked up to shore power. On this side, we have the water system for the vehicle. So this holds 20 gallons of fresh water. There's also a 15-gallon gray water tank underneath the vehicle. This storage will have all of your hoses and pumps for the water system. That is an extra storage unit. And then here you have a hookup for a shower. So if you want to just rinse off outside the vehicle, your gear, yourself, sand, whatever it is, that's a really convenient hookup. And then here is where you fill your freshwater tank. This will take regular city water out of a garden hose, and it's no mess, easy to use. And then this is the drain for if you need to winterize the vehicle. All right, guys, so I showed you the shower hookup that is off of the back of the vehicle, but we also have a shower system that is inside the vehicle. So you can see we've installed these 4 D-rings here that will hook up to a custom shower where the curtain comes down, there's a pan so that nothing gets wet, and it's super simple to set up and very easy to take down so that you have a shower when you need it inside, but then it's not taking up space when you're not using it, which is most of the time. So we have a link to how to set up that shower and what it looks like, and we'll link that into the comment section below this video. All right, next I wanted to show you guys a couple of features that we have in the exterior of the vehicle. The first thing is that we installed a window that has a slider and a screen behind it so that when this door is closed, you can still have an open window when you're inside and cooking. Up here on the roof, we have a roof rack. So that holds both the solar system, and then also you can put a Thule case or whatever kind of storage you want up there. Down here, we've installed some really nice tires. So this is the Method wheel. And then we've also got KO2s on here that have a really nice grip and will be able to help you with all of those off-road adventures. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle, which makes it really nice and really easy to get around, even off-grid.